Hi everyone, Rob here from the Autodesk technical marketing team with a quick tip for Autodesk Fusion Production. If you go into a particular job instruction and take a look at the task level, you will see that you can add checklist items to fulfill the task. Now at the very bottom of the checklist there is an additional checkbox which informs the operator that this task requires all list items be checked to mark a task as done. This can be important when, for example, making sure safety critical tasks are performed. Once selected, and both the task and the job instruction are saved, it can be dispatched to the shop floor. When the job sheet is accessed and the task is started, you will not be able to complete it until all items in the checklist have been marked as done. This acts as an excellent reminder to complete your checklist before finishing the task.